My name is Benjamin Poole, and when I was 23, I gave my life savings to a broker who lost it all. But this taught me an invaluable lesson. I needed to educate myself to make my own financial decisions. Fast forward 20 years, I am no longer living paycheck to paycheck, and I want to share everything I've learned with you. Welcome to Financially Fit. Welcome to Financially Fit. My name is Benjamin Poole, and today I've got this really beautiful chart that I want you guys to check out on MED, so Medifast. All right, so let's go over to the charts. The first thing that I want you guys to see is it filled a gap today. So let me explain to you what a gap fill is. So on a red candle, the open was at the top of the candle, and the close was at the bottom of the candle. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and erase this for you. Now what happened is the following day, it actually started here and ended here. So the difference between this level and this level is what's called a gap. So there's just a gap between the beginning, from the close and then the open. And as you can see, price got all the way up to here to $76. And so when it gets back down to the 62.14 level, all these people said, oh my gosh, I didn't get into this trade at this level, and look at what it's done. So when it comes back down to this level, this is a great opportunity for me to get in. And so look at what happened. It got down to the 62.14 level and hit it to the penny and then bounced. So this doesn't always happen, but when you've got a really sharp move down like this, it tends to happen a lot more often than we think, okay? So that's one thing I wanted to show you. So with Medifast, next thing we're looking for is you can either play this, if you played this for a long, you could take this up a little bit, but what we're really looking for a longer term trade is to see what it does next. So if it puts in some sideways consolidation candles like this, that's what's considered an in spirit of bear flag or a bear flag. So if it does it right above this level, the 62.14, then we're actually going to look for more downside. And I've actually calculated this out, and I'm going to give you a couple levels to look for if it does some of that consolidation or if it just pierces this level. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the weekly chart. Hold on, give me one sec while I adjust my screen. Okay, so here is Medifast on the weekly time frame. Okay, so we've got COVID lows right here, 2020. So that's going to provide you lots of support right before. And that correlates with this 54.81 level. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out a little bit more on these charts to show you this amazing upsloping trend line. So this chart takes from 2009. Excuse me, let me reset this. All right. One second, you guys. Okay, so from 2009, 2011, 2012 area, 2015, 16, and then look at this, 54.81. 54.81 is going to be your next really big support level. Also, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit more. We had this really awesome bullish consolidation pattern. I'm going to erase this. So right here, you had this really awesome bullish consolidation pattern. And so this, in coordination with that upsloping trend line that I showed you, it's going to be a lot of support. So 54.81 is where you could start a little bit of a position. All right. And then if it does break that level, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit more. I'm going to click over so you guys can see what I'm doing. All right. So then the level after that would be 49.43. So here would be my starter position, 54.81, and then my second entry, it would be 49.43. And those will be my levels to enter, so that way I can see a nice bounce and I dollar cost average into this, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this. That was my presentation on Medifast, and I do appreciate you guys watching and providing comments and feedback. I enjoy doing this for you guys, and we'll see you guys next time on Financially Fit.